As I said, we have come together, uh, people from different walks of life, but all of us have a common purpose today to 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 look back and celebrate the life of uh, our dear, our dearest, Dr. Chandorkar. As I speak, I find myself short of words. Uh, Being an outsider to a mental health industry, uh, I was connected to Dr. Chandorkar, and I never could imagine that I'll be convening or hosting a memorial service in his memory. Uh, so, with what I know, I would like to, share some of the life milestones about Dr. Chandorkar. Sir was born on 31st May 1955, and he's survived by Dr. Madhuri Chandorkar, ophthalmologist, and we all know her. He's also survived by his daughter, his only daughter, Nupur. Uh, Dr. Chandorkar was commissioned in Navy in May 1979. He and then they got married in December 2000, in 1982. He completed his MD in psychiatry from the Armed Force Medical College, Pune, and it was following in the footsteps of his father, the great late Dr. B.L. Chandorkar, who for many have been an inspiration in the field of mental health. And incidentally, he was from the first batch of NIMHANS. And often those who know Dr. Chandorkar used to often talk about very dearly about his father, some of the stories and anecdotes of the man that his father was, and he was very proud of him. So we also remember him today. His daughter Nupur, she was born in 1984, and uh, in my limited interaction with him, so many times he would have referred to Nupur, what she is doing, and while I have never met her, but of course I know what she is doing and where is she. So that's how close his daughter was to him. With that, I would invite uh, the director of Chaitanya Mental Health Institute, uh, Mr. Ronnie George. I hand it over to Ronnie. Thank you so much. Ronnie, before you begin, if you allow me to admit, there are more people who have joined, and they are waiting in the waiting room, as it calls. So just allow me to uh, admit them so that they are also able to hear. So we have by now 34 participants.
Thank you so much, Kate. This Corona time that has seen so many changes in our life, and I never imagined that I would be participating in a virtual condolence meeting. That too, my dear Dr. Chandorkar. I had a 21 and a half years of association with Chandorkar sir. First, I think I met him in 1999 in July month in Apte Prashala, when we were just discussing about starting a psychosocial rehabilitation center in Pune. And trust me, since then, the first meeting that I had, and I also had my last meeting on just a few hours of his passing away from this world and going for his new board in heaven. He was, of course, he was born in Pune, but brought up in various mental hospitals. Not to be misunderstood, he was brought up in the sense his father, Dr. B.L. Chandorkar, used to be superintendent of various mental hospitals. And, whenever Dr. Chandorkar speaks about the psychiatry, and he's a person who is born with a psychiatry in himself. I think one of the most important thing I would like to remember now, I have gone with Chandorkar to Yerwada. As soon as he stepped in, he had a deep breath. He said, "Mera bachpan ka yaad aa raha hai." He was, his early days, his mates were, the friends were the IS and ward boys and recovered so-called mentally ill patients who would, attend him. He used to play with them. Probably that made him very, very special than all other psychiatrists whom I have come across. Dr. Chandorkar was a different person because of that, from the childhood, he had that feeling. That is why he could understand each and every patient. Now, Chaitanya, as a family, Chandorkar was one of the most important key persons in our organization. And it is unimaginable that he is not there, that every day I could pass by his house and I would look at his, his gate, seeing that probably Chandorkar is, not now, earlier also. Now I know that he is no more there, but I have blessed with a lot of good memories. A man who can always count on, a dependable person was he. Running Chaitanya, we grew up together. He started his career in 97, I believe, and we started in 99. And, he used to take me to his father, Dr. B.L. Chandorkar, and we used to have a lot of discussions. And Chandorkar, with pride, every meeting, every place, he used to tell, "Ronnie, I'm with you because my dad liked you and dad has told me, Hemanta, don't leave him. You have to be with him throughout his journey. But sir, you have left me. We are in a journey. You deplaned or detrained, or I don't know what to say. You left in halfway and you have gone to your place. And, there are so many things that I remember about him. Chaitanya, whatever is here today, a great contribution is done by Dr. Hemant Chandorkar. Dr. Chandorkar was such a person. एक बार डॉक्टर चंदोरकर को किसी ने मिला and they can never forget to Dr. Chandorkar. And एक बार डॉक्टर चंदोरकर किसी को मिला and I am sure that he would never forget him. He is a person with lot of caliber. If I see, he was a great teacher. He used to teach in Karve Institute of Social Services as a guest faculty in medical and psychiatric social work. I still remember maybe in somewhere in 2000, he had his clinic opened in Karve Road. He invited, we all were there. Even every step of, it was his dear project for himself. Earlier, he was on Karve Road in a small room where his father used to practice. And when we went to this place, from the day one onwards, he used to tell Ronnie, come and see my place. I'm doing this and that. I saw a beautifully well designed psychiatric nursing, the clinic. There were 2-3 cubicles, one for himself, one for ma'am, and one for the psychologist. I saw a long bench kept in the clinic. I said, "Ye kiske liye? Family aane ka hai?" No, that is meant for my students. You trust me, those were the times when we were scared to meet a psychiatrist and ask, please help us, because, psychologists and psychiatric social workers and other paramedicals, Chandorkar is the one who took a lead, I would probably say, in entertaining such students, and he really had that 3 or 4 people, students could sit behind, and when he used to interact with the patients, and so therefore he is a great teacher and a singing, a passionate, voracious reader, and I mean, he's a multilinguistic personality. If I remember, I have had 21.5 years of association with him. So many patients we have seen, so many families we have handled. Suppose some families come from, who would speak Urdu. All of a sudden, I can see Dr. Chandorkar switching into Urdu. And if somebody comes from Lucknow, he has that Lucknowi language. And most of our staff are from Kerala. Of course, he always used to boast about, and he used to be proud about being served in the Indian Navy stationed in Cochin. He will talk about तिरुवनंतपुरम से लेके कासरगोड तक का बातें करते थे. People used to be so dearly used to get attached to him. The pun, idioms, phrases that he used to use while he talked, it was amazing. He could actually take care of every patient and the family members. And I can still remember, as a practitioner, see, I'm an institutional care provider. Anytime, if I had any emergency, I had the privilege of contacting him even at midnight. He had given that leverage to me. So, Ronnie, anytime you call, I have disturbed him. I think all 24/7 in various times. I think I have completed that circle, and he was there with me. And today, when I remember he's not there, it is beyond my. He is just 65. And coming to another things, management of patients. The management of patients becomes very crucial and important once when you are running a psychiatric nursing home or a rehab center. People, मेरा खुद का close people I have referred him, because I told this is the person, his medicine will do wonders. There was a doctor, one of my close associates, he wanted to admit his father to my place because he had a problem of old age related dementia issues. मैंने बोला सर आप मेरे पास admit मत करो. Let's go. I'll come with you. Let's meet Dr. Chandorkar and you try that medicine once. 4 दिन के बाद वो डॉक्टर ने मुझे फोन करके बोला, Roni, thank you so much for introducing such a fantastic person. My father is, almost normal, like, and he is there at home. I can take care of him at home. That was Dr. Chandorkar for Roni and Dr. For Chaitanya. Now coming to other places, see, he has seen variety of patients, starting from film stars, the politicians, IT professionals. There are variety of people, the professionals he had as patients. But you must know, there was patients who used to come from far away villages, coming and waiting to see him in the morning. And after seeing, I used to, or one of our, some of our people used to go and ask him, sir, how much you charge? Fukat. They have come for me and for them. I will not be charging anything. Just tell them that. See, such a person in this years, it is too difficult. I have some messages from various people knowing that Dr. Chandorkar is no more. And one I would like to read out is from Dr. Mohan Agashe, that is personally to me. So that will tell you how close I was. Dr. Mohan Agashe wrote, Roni, If there is one person who will miss Hemant the most, that is you. You have really lost a buddy. We have lost a charming friend. True. A charming friend he was. And to me, personally, he was a buddy, more than a buddy, a brother, a friend, a buddy he used to be. And, there are so many, see, if I need to talk about the 21 years of my association with him, it would take almost all the time that we will be covering. Dr. Chandorkar used to be Hemant for someone, Hemanta for koi, Hemu for someone, and Chandu for me. That was a relation that we used to share. किसी ने उस समय लिखा, I would like to read it. वो आदमी जहां जाएगा महफिल सजा लेगा. दूसरा कोई अनूप चैटर्जी मुझे भेजते हैं. जाते हुए वो आंख मिलकर नहीं गया, वो क्यों गया, ये भी बताकर नहीं गया. My Hindi is a little poor to read, so please bear with me. यूं लग रहा है जैसे अभी लौट आएगा वो, जाते हुए चिराग बुझाकर नहीं गया. These are the people who are used to, who have really missed Dr. Hemant Chandorkar. Dr. Chandorkar, आप जहां भी हो, आप महफिल सजाते रहेंगे. हम आपको बहुत मिस करते हैं. It was too immature for you to depart from this world, and we really miss. And that is the reason I can see Brijesh joining from Canada, and Saji is there from Hong Kong, Bangkok, and Dr. Watoi sir is there, Bakshi Sahab is there, and whomever I know, Masawade sir is there. And so many people have told me that, it is a shocking thing for them. And finally, I have seen Dr. Chandorkar as a person, whenever he used to come to Chaitanya or wherever I have met him going out, he used to carry a book with him. That used to be novel. Today, I was talking with the Zainab, one of our other psychiatrists. She told he used to read fiction. And when I saw him at home, he was lying down, and there was a book he was reading, and he had kept it. The page was there, his chashma was there, and he carried a book all the time whenever he used to come. Dr. Chandorkar, it's not only me, myself, missing you. There are so many people who are daily missing you. I have no words to explain how severe your departure from this world mean to all of us. मैंने जैसे बोला, किसी के लिए वो हेमंता था, हेमंत थे, और हेमू, some people used to call him Hemu. I used to call him Chandu. Chandu, आप तो अभी इस दुनिया में नहीं है. You have gone for your heavenly abode. उस महफिल में आप उधर सजाते ही रहेंगे. आई एम श्योर अबाउट इट. देखो, हमारे लिए थोड़ा कुछ कमिटमेंट है यहाँ. हम भी एक दिन आपके साथ जरूर आएंगे. उस दिन के लिए तब तक आई थिंक वी मिस यू. You live, you have never died and gone. You live through our memories, and you are in our heart. One person who have come across you can never forget you. And I pray for you, and my dear friend, miss you a lot. More than anybody in this world, I miss you a lot.
Thank you. Thank you, Ronnie. Yes, he was always the star of any mahfil that he was part of. Few that I have attended. I would like to next invite Dr. Vidyadhar Vatve sir. Sir, thank you for joining. and I know that you have a lot of things to say about. I just unmuted you. Please, Dr. Watway, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Well, friends, what I had to say that Dr. Mohan Agashe has already said in his two-line message to Roni, which he read just now. I think we are all missing Heman. I have traveled with him only a week ago to the new place, and he was such a great mood. And then 2 days earlier also, I was with him with Dr. Mohan Agashe. He was as usual, enjoying and most liked person in the party.
So audio is on mute.
Sir, please unmute yourself.
Now, am I audible again? Now,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ajab, what I had to say, Roni has already said, and what Dr. Mohan Agashe has sent him as a message. And I must today say that his wife Madhuritai, daughter Nupur, the son-in-law, his brother-in-law, Dr. Mutatkar, and family, and his brother Girish and his wife and two daughters. They're all missing him, and I sincerely pray that Heman, you have gone early. Sorry. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words. May I invite Mr. Brijesh? Please unmute yourself. Yes, go ahead.
Hey, my name is Brijesh. I'm joining with my wife Rose here. We both privileged to work with Chaitanya since 2002 till 2011. So do with Dr. Hemant Chandorkar. First of all, let me pass our heartfelt condolences. And when I'm, Dr. Chandorkar is a more than a doctor. He was a great human being, friend to all of us, and he, like as Donny Chetan has mentioned, like we used to call him like at any point of time in the night or like day for, with so many requests in terms of helping patients. And his psychiatric skills, especially like, like an accurate diagnosis and symptom treatment was incredible. Many patients have got help from Dr. Hemant Chandorkar. And he was a psychiatrist, as a great team player. Definitely the Chaitanya will miss that. And he was a more than a psychiatrist. Like he was a great friend for all of us. He entertained us with his beautiful voice, beautiful singing, his witty jokes in like during informal meetings, informal gatherings, and everything. And personally, like when I came to Canada, like he presented me a small book. Like psychiatry is a vast field, and like he gave me a book that really helped me to learn more about like diagnostic criteria and everything, and that helped me to have an interview to hear like this is the book he presented to me when I came to Canada. That really helped me in my journey finding a job here as a psychiatric social worker. So with like, I pray for his departed soul, and may his soul rest in peace. Thank you.
Thank you, Brajesh. May I invite Ms. Neha Chandorkar? Please unmute yourself. Yes, please.
It's actually going to be very difficult to say something after listening to what everyone has to say. But he's, like everyone said, he's always been such a happy person that you could never, I mean, he's always entered the room, cracked jokes, and made sure everyone around him was always having a good time. And I'm sorry, I can't say too much, because we've stayed together since, like, we've stayed in the same building, so we've been together all our lives, and we are really going to miss him. I'm sorry, I can't say anything more.
Thank you, ma'am. We can understand your feelings. We all feel the same. May I invite Mr. Sirish Chandorkar? Please unmute yourself, sir.
Can you hear us?
Yes, sir, we can hear you.
Yeah.
My wife, Kalpana, would like to say a few things about.
Sir,
my
could you
brother.
please come closer to the microphone, sir?
My wife, Kalpana, would like to say a few things about my brother because I'm in no position to talk.
Sure, sir. We can
Yeah,
understand, sir.
we
Please.
just started. Actually, we have stayed together for n number of years.
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Yeah, we've always been together, and wonderful person. He was like an elder brother to me. I mean, we more than my husband is a little introvert, a little quiet person, but I am quite talkative. Both of us had very same likings, like same what you call as music, or all our we used to discuss Hindi music, old music. He was a wonderful singer, and not only a singer, but he had mastery over English as well as Marathi. All mythology, all stories, everything. If you see, he had he was an encyclopedia in himself. And we have spent such good times together, especially in this lockdown, when he never used to go to the clinic. He used to come down every day to our place. We used to sit and chat and have tea together, solve all these puzzles, and everything everything is right in front of our eyes. And lockdown got us more close,
Can't believe that.
We are still, and we were the first persons to see him. We still can't believe he's not with us. We are going to miss him all the time. Just can't say anything more.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. We understand your feelings, emotions. Thank you so much for sharing. May I invite Dr. Masavre, sir? Thank you for joining. Please unmute yourself.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, everybody. We have come together.
Sir, please unmute yourself. Your microphone is on mute. Masavre, sir, please unmute yourself.
Now,
Yes, sir. We can hear you now.
who departed from us untimely. It was a shock to me and all others. And as was said, it was a shock to Ronnie more than everybody. What I remember is among all his behavior, my cabin in Kathraj was first. And all that he used to come twice a week in Kathraj branch. So he used to cross my cabin, but never crossed before opening the cabin door, saying, "Hi, good morning, doctor," and asking some question here and there, and then go to his cabin. That is a wonderful, his way of honoring me and all these things. It was a all shock. I pray God to keep his soul in peace and give the family members and the friends strength to bear this. Hello?
Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir. Please go ahead.
To bear this shock. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, sir, for your kind words. Yes, he was, just remembering that my wife is a Maharashtrian, and he used to think that I am also one, and he used to always talk to me in Marathi. And I
Yeah.
never clarified it for almost 6-8 months. And I tried to keep talking to him in Marathi, and one day maybe he called my bluff and he said, "Don't worry, I speak Hindi too. So go ahead." So really, he was a man who touched different people differently. May I invite Dr. Rohan Jagirdar. Thank you, Rohan, sir, for joining. Please unmute yourself.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, please go ahead.
Yeah.
We can.
Good evening, all. Thank you for the opportunity. It is really, really sad that I have to comment on Chandorkar sir's departure like this. Everything about him has already been said. I would just like to say a few things as a doctor, what he taught all of us junior doctors. One was to be brave. A lot of times I used to call sir about certain report or certain thing with respect to some patients, and the kind of support he gave in terms of confidence and in terms of overall backup as a fatherly figure was enormous. So we all learned a lot from him. More than a good doctor, he was a wonderful person. There would not have been any party or presence of Chandorkar sir, and there would not be jokes. Every time now we all remember jokes, and we all remember him as somebody who made everybody laugh, who made everybody happy. So really, really a big loss as a person. We have lost a very, very, very good human being. May his soul rest in peace.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Rohan. May I invite Mr. Amrit Bakshi, sir. Please unmute yourself and please say a few words. Mr. Amrit Bakshi, sir. Please unmute yourself. Mr. Amrit Bakshi, sir, if you are able to hear me, please unmute yourself and speak. Please unmute your mic.
Yes, I have unmuted.
Yes, sir.
Only-
We can hear you. Please go ahead. Thank you.
No, video also. I have to-
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
Thank you
and
very
see
much.
sir. Please speak.
Yes. Of course, it was a great shock when I came to know that Dr. Chandorkar passed away at such a young age. I had the good luck of meeting him first time in 2008. Chitra was our in charge of our rehab center, and I asked her. I came to Pune in 2007 mainly because I thought my daughter has a good opportunity in Pune for her recovery. So I told her that I want to meet some good psychiatrist. Then she said, let us meet Dr. Chandorkar because he has some magic in his hand, and the patients who get treated by him, they have a good chance of recovery. So I met him, had a long chat, showed him the files, and my daughter's her first episode occurred in 1991 when she was a boarder in a school in Dehradun, and she was treated by one Major Nand Kishore. So he said we were together in army, together we passed out, you know. So I said, but you don't write with your name, your Navy connection or your rank with that. He said, oh, that chapter is over. Now it's a new chapter. So I don't use it as others do that. So that was initially when I met him, and then we would meet on some social occasions. I think the last meeting was some 2 years back. We had that World Schizophrenia Awareness Day, and then evening we had a social get-together. Dr. Thara had come from Chennai, some other guests were there. Then I think thereafter I didn't have a chance to meet him. And one thing which a few of you may know, or I think most of you may not know, that he was the first honorary secretary of Schizophrenia Awareness Association. You know, it was established in 1997, and that time he was active, and he was made the first secretary. I think 2-3 years he remained the secretary, and then Anil Vartak took over from him. So these are some happy memories I have of my association with him. It is very unfortunate that he has gone at such a comparatively young age. It is a loss to the patients. It is his going is a loss to his friends, colleagues, and admirers. Thank you very much for giving me a chance to talk about it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. May I invite Mr. Saji Joseph, who is joining us from Bangkok. Please go ahead, sir, unmute yourself and please speak.
Hi, everyone. I am Saji. I was with Chaitanya just for an year. It was just 1 year. I was working with them. And for the last 10 years, I was working in different other places. And when I've seen this, when I came to know about this Zoom meeting, I just wanted to join. And the photo which I've seen was like, the way I have seen Dr. Chandorkar, the smiling face. And now when I was just, trying to look back and, what I remember him was always that, he was very much approachable, because I was just out from the college and working with Chaitanya was my first job. And, you see all these, different kinds of professionals. I'm very new to the field. And, just being, a social worker, when you deal with psychiatrists and, doctors, it's a bit, you feel like you're a bit uncomfortable. You don't feel really, sometimes you don't feel that safe to even talk. But with Chandorkar, I always felt, he is approachable, right? And I always felt, very comfortable and safe to ask him, if I have some doubt.
YD Singh.
Yeah, go on, Saji.
Yeah, so that's how I remember him. He always made us comfortable. All this stuff, who you are, he made us comfortable, and he was always approachable, and I still remember his smiling face. So may his soul rest in peace, and I just pray for his soul. That's what I have to say here. Thanks for giving me a chance to share.
Thank you. Thank you, Saji. Mr. Y.D. Singh, sir, please unmute yourself and please speak few words. Mr. Y.D. Singh.
Am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir, you are. Thank you.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Not a very good time to say good evening, but that's the way the life goes on. I'm Brigadier Y.D. Singh. Dhaneshwar just sent me actually the link. I'm in Malaysia and joining you from here. A great friend of mine and old colleague, even before he became a psychiatrist. We were together in Navy, junior colleague. Hemant, known for a very, very long time. I don't know how many years, but we were together in Navy and especially in Cochin. I spent 10 years myself in Cochin, and most of the time he spent in Cochin. In the hospital, I was the physician. He was just a general doctor because he became psychiatrist after he left Indian Navy. So you must admire the grit of the man. He left as a ordinary doctor, after a few years, left early for his own personal reasons because he wanted to pursue psychiatry, actually, his father's profession. And somehow he wasn't getting that opportunity in Indian Navy because in armed forces, the specialties are decided by different parameters, and he wasn't coming true to that. But that's the time we advised him that it is better that you leave and go and pursue your dream. And that's what he wanted to do, actually. And in fact, we helped him also to leave Indian Navy at that particular time with whatever little political connections he had. That apart, Hemant has been, I would say, a very tenacious doctor, I would say. And from the very early, he had all the traits of being a very good psychiatrist, actually. Probably he had picked up all those traits from his father. He was a friend, philosopher, and a guide. Anybody who came in touch with Hemant could never forget him. For good or bad, whatever, he could never forget Hemant. And you will find, even if 15 minutes chat with Hemant would entice you to become a friend with him. He was that kind of tenacious person. And I personally feel the biggest loss is to Chaitanya. And I really feel very sorry for Ronnie that he is not there. I left armed forces. Actually, he was practicing in Pune, and actually I left army, got retired in 2009 and joined Navle Medical College as professor of medicine there. And we started meeting each other and all that. I used to go to Navle Medical College just right in front of that Karim Singh Chowk and take a right turn from there because I stay in Clover Heights just opposite to Salanki Vihar. And once in a while we will meet. Later on, it so happened that my son had trouble, and I asked him, what should I do? He said, what is to do? Just bring it to me here only and all that. I asked him any better place. Well, don't worry about the place. This is the best place. So I handed over my son to him. Off and on, after that, we discussed a lot of things. We will meet him once in a while. For last 2 years, I'm in Malaysia. So whenever I'll come back, I'll meet him. And we will talk more than anything else, our past life. I mean, the previous life in Navy and all that kind of thing. And all that. Happy-go-lucky chap, I would say. And when Dhaneshwar informed me that he's no more and he just left while in sleep, I was in shock. I really couldn't believe. We are 7, 8 retired armed forces people here, and everybody knew him and all that, and we had our own condolence meeting here, that apart. But today, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to share my feelings for Chandorka, Hemant. I could not be there because all aircrafts, etc., and all that, our air journey stopped, and we are all locked up in our own individual places because of Corona. So Zoom probably has come to our help, and we are able to share our feelings for Hemant's departure so early in life. I pray that his soul, finds peace, and he gives happiness wherever he is. His family, I join them in their grief, and I hope they are able to overcome his loss. Thank you very much. Thank you very much indeed, Chaitanya, for giving me this opportunity, and especially Mr. Ronnie George, who was whispering my name to the moderator. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah, I think one of the persons who would be missing Dr. Chandorkar most in Chaitanya is Angela. At the moment, Dr. Chandorkar would come in, first meet Angela, while going also, because she keeps the register, how many patients he have met, how, that is there. So, Angela, देखो अभी, I'm sure that we all miss him. And, and there, even support staff से लेके उनके लिए चाय लेके आते थे, पानी लेके आते थे, वो सब लोग बहुत मिस करता है. But your friendship or your professional relationship was something beyond that. He would sit and chat with you for at least 5 minutes every day. I have seen it. Now, please, it's your turn.
Angela, please unmute yourself.
He was a wonderful human being, full of emotions, full of lots of knowledge, lots of emotions, and above all, I have a small example to share. A person, we have an uncle who's 98 years old, who stays in our building. Dr. Chandorkar knows him, I think, from 22 years. And he is treating his daughter for 22 years without a penny. And that was the first thing which I had heard about Dr. Chandorkar. And just a day before this unfortunate thing happened, he was there, and while going, it was so such an emotional thing that we spoke, and the next day he said that yes, we'll meet. I said I'm going to I think I can't.
Yeah, that's there. That's the feeling for most of us sitting here. I do understand. It was very lively, and Dr. Chandorkar, as usual, walks into our place, unusually sitting till 1:30 noon, and saying bye and going, only to know next day early morning that he is no more. I can really understand, Angela. And all of us are going through this. I think, one of other associate that when Dr. Chandorkar, Chaitanya is involved, I think it is Smita. Smita is there, Smita Salunke. If you can unmute yourself and you can share a few things about the sir, I would appreciate, Smita.
Thanks, Ronnie. Really, I don't have any word to say, but last 25 years I was with Sir. First I met Sir when I was in second standard, second year BA. That time I met to Dr. Chandorkar in Embadia. Actually, he was introduced me. He is a main pillar of my career. He's introduced under his guidance. I worked in South, so he introduced me first time in Chaitanya. That time I was not very comfortable with Chaitanya, with Ronnie, but he gave me that trust and that confidence. Yes, you work with him, because that time rehab is a new concept for me. So after that also he introduced me with Jahangir also. So last 25 years I was with Sir. Now he always tells me ki now she's my colleague. So I always tell her ki don't say me colleagues. I'm your student. So mujhe student hi rehne do. Even last 2 years I was working with his in his clinic also. Whenever I went in the OPD also, first I see unke cabin mein jab jati hu, when I entered in his cabin, so always see ki he is there in his chair. Whenever I enter in his clinic, first I enter in his cabin. So always feel ki he is there on his chair, and then we start our work. It's a very difficult to digest ki he is no more. Every day patients calls us, they always say ki sir hamare liye bhagwan the. So we don't want to shift any other psychiatrist or any other doctor. So what to do? It's very difficult to make them console also. Because there is a very good trust on him. They don't want to shift anywhere. So it's really, we are very blessed कि उनकी जैसे mentor we got. So last 2-3 years we planned also कि they always very cheerful, very happy. They shared a lot of things. Whenever you say कि when he comes to OPD, if he comes very little bit early, he always open his books and he start reading. And in his OPD also, he shared a lot of things. Sometimes he shared a song, he shared whatever he reads, serious. So we learned so many things from him. And last 2-3 years, we always planned. He once in a 2 or 3 months, he come with us for lunch. He takes all the students, whoever attend his OPD. He takes us for lunch and all these things, and we spent a very good time with him. So really, I missed him. I can't believe he is no more. But still, I feel he is with us. Still, he is with us. I can't say more. Thank you.
You know, each one of us who are sitting in this group and having this Zoom meeting, all of us almost share the same feeling. And I do certainly understand the fantastic professional relationship and the learning experience that you had. That is what I said now. She is a fantastic teacher, entertainer. He's a great entertainer, happy-go-lucky guy. And you know, mastered in almost in everything. And once when we know that he is no more, only, you know, we know what is the loss that has happened to us. Now, you know, we have one person sitting here, nothing to do with the psychiatry, and just came across some of our personal meeting, that is Satyajit and his wife. Would you like to say anything? If you can unmute and speak, that we appreciate.
Yes, hello Ronnie, and good evening everyone. We met doctor only once, and like Ronnie said, that whoever meets him, he made a lasting impression. So it was the same for both of us. In that meeting, we came across his multi-talented personality, and he immediately made us very comfortable, and we had a great bonding. And he also showcased his talent of singing and telling jokes. So we had a wonderful time with him, and it came as a great shock when we heard the news. And I think it is a really, really great loss for Ronnie, for Chaitanya, for his patient, because he was such a wonderful human being. And I think that just that one meeting, we felt like that we had to meet this person again and talk with him and enjoy the time with him. So it was a really, really a great shock and a loss. Sorry, Ronnie, it is a great loss for you also.
Thank you so much, Satya. It is indeed. There is a Praveen, Dr. Praveen is there, Dr. Praveen Paragaonkar. Sir जी आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे please? Unmute yourself, please. Dr. Praveen.
Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, Praveen. Please go ahead.
डॉक्टर चांदोरकर मी मराठीत सुरू झालो ऍक्च्युली
काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
थँक्यू. डॉक्टर चांदोरकर आणि मी खरं तर आमची भेट त्यांच्या कन्सल्टेशन्स मध्ये झालेली. आणखी खरं तर त्यांच्या सोबत माझ्या भेटी जवळजवळ 5 किंवा 6 झालेल्या आणि मला त्यांनी बोललेले प्रत्येक एक शब्द आणखीनही आठवतात. म्हणजे आता जेव्हा मी तुमच्या सगळ्यांशी बोलतोय हे जितकं आठवतंय तितकंच मला त्यांचे 5-6 मीटिंगच्या झाल्या त्या प्रत्येक एक मीटिंग मला आठवत आहेत. आणि जेव्हा मला ही बातमी समजली खरं तर माझं अजूनही या गोष्टीवरती विश्वास नाही. केवळ एक जग रहाटी आहे म्हणून आय ऍक्सेप्ट दॅट, बट आय एम अनेबल टू बेअर की खरं तर इतकं एक हिमालयासारखं उत्तुंग व्यक्तिमत्व आणि जो एक नेहमी आम्हाला सपोर्ट किंवा एक लाईट हाऊस असायचा की काय बरं त्याच्यातलं एक कुठे बरं आपण पाहायला हवं किंवा कुठे गायडन्स मिळू शकेल. मला वाटतं डॉक्टर चांदोरकर हे आमच्यासाठी हे नेहमीच तिथे असणार आहेत. खरं तर आता ते फिजिकली आपल्यामध्ये नाही आहेत, पण मला काय झालं तर प्रॅक्टिसमुळे किंवा आणखीन काही गोष्टीमुळे आम्हाला भेट नाही झाली. पण आय थॉट की ही इज बीन देअर. आणि जेव्हा पण मी गावातून जाईल किंवा पुणे शहरातून जाईल तर मला किंवा मी डावीकडे उजवीकडे मला चांदोरकर सरांशी भेटायला बोलायला मिळेल. मी पुन्हा एकदा त्यांना हार्टफेल माझ्या श्रद्धांजली देतोय आणि मी आता इथे थांबतो. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच रॉनी. अँड आपण सगळेजणच्या दुःखात सहभागी आहोत. थँक्यू.
Yes, that is again another person who have interacted with him so closely. And Chetan sir, आप है क्या उधर? Dr. Chetan Diwan, professor from Karve Institute. Meanwhile, I would also like to tell that Dr. Chandorkar always used to have his passion of teaching. He was a part of Karve Institute of Social Services for teaching MSW students. And he had so many psychology students attending his personal clinic and also directing them to Chaitanya for their clinical practice. And apart from that, Dr. Chandorkar initially started with, consulting in various places like Muktangan De-Addiction Center, a man dependable again for them for many, many years, until he had so much of workload that he could not go travel to the other side of the city. Then he left that with a lot of gratitude. And he has been a part of Jahangir Hospital. Then there are a couple of other places where he used to be an honorary visiting doctor. So Chetan Diwan sir, aap hai kya udhar? He is not there. So I think with this, we will open the floor. I would like to invite Dimple. Dimple, are you there? Yeah. Unmute yourself and please speak.
So my association with Dr. Chandorkar has been, it seems like for lifetime, because he was more of a mentor and more of a fatherly figure for me, because he guided me personally and professionally. I remember when 2 years back I started my own company. He was like, he used to always tell me that keep doing and I trust you. He used to always keep motivating me, teaching me medicine, and we used to discuss so much that I remember one thing, as much as I learned from him, he also never stop learning from anyone. He used to tell me that this person did this and I really liked it and I'm doing that. I feel he was a multi-dimensional personality, and I yet can't believe that I would have no one to go back to and discuss my cases or talk to about life or anything in the world. And I think I'll really miss him. That's all. Thank you.
Now, see, Dr. Chandorkar was one of the other person when he steps in Chaitanya, he would ask, Nano, that is Naneshwar. Naneshwar ko Nano कहते थे और Naneshwar को बुलाते थे आ जाओ. We know his protocol and we all used to be fall in line with. Naneshwar, आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
हाँ, जब भी वो चैतन्य में आते थे तो always used to call Nana, yeah, Nano, कुठे आहेस तू? He firstly used to call me before he reaching Chaitanya. तो उधर आने के बाद पहले ये उनका, और फर्स्ट टाइम एक आदमी ऐसा है कि मुझे ये नाम से बुलाता है, तो मुझे भी एक अलग फीलिंग था उनके लिए कि आई वाज वेरी क्लोज टू हिम. मतलब जब भी बाहर हम मिलते थे, नहीं तो चैतन्य में मिलते थे, केसेस डिस्कस करने के टाइम, ये सब अलग फीलिंग था. और एवरी फ्राइडे और ट्यूसडे जब भी हम सुबह मीटिंग से आते थे तो हमको फीलिंग था कि आज चांदोरकर सर आने वाले हैं, तो वो एक एक्साइटमेंट भी रहता था हम में. तो और दूसरा है कि ये उनका एज और हमारा एज में बहुत डिफरेंस है, लेकिन हमने कभी फील नहीं किया कि उनमें और हम में इतना डिफरेंस है. वो इतना कंफर्टेबल हमको करके देते थे. सो मैं तो बहुत मिस करूंगा उनका. That's it.
See, we have many people, representing who have worked with the Chaitanya. There are people representing from Chaitanya Nepal. Can I ask somebody to speak? Nepal, sir. Arit, please speak.
Yeah, okay. So, hello everyone. I mean,
Yeah.
I could work with Dr. Chandorkar for like nearly 2 years when I was in Pune. And जैसे ज्ञानेश्वर ने बोला कि we used to wait for Tuesdays and Fridays because we used to really enjoy his consultations and we used to really learn from it. और मतलब और जब हम लोग नेपाल में भी आए तो हमारे यहाँ पे डॉक्टर यादव बिष्ट करके है. I think he could not join today, but he was the classmate of he is a classmate of Dr. Chandorkar. And वो हमेशा मुझे ये, हम लोग उनको कहते थे कि हमारा सेंटर विजिट करने के लिए आइए, और वो हमेशा मुझे बोलते थे कि जिस दिन डॉक्टर चांदोरकर आएंगे उस दिन मैं पक्का आपके सेंटर में आऊंगा. So, I mean, we always, used to look forward कि Sir Ronnie sir and Dr. Chandorkar would be coming soon to visit us. And when sir informed, like when we saw the message that he's no more, I mean, it is very difficult for us to digest, and I still can't come to the terms that he's not there. So, I mean, yes, I hope he rests in peace, but I mean, I just cannot imagine Pune Center without him. So we'll be missing him a lot. Yeah. So that's all.
It is not, it's not a Pune center. All our centers were started from Pune, and in every place, Dr. Chandorkar is there. He was such a wonderful resource person for me. When we started in Chandigarh, he had a friend. He said, yes, it's my place. We are starting it there. When we had a center in Delhi, there was his friends. When we went out of country and started in Kathmandu, he said, Bishta is my close friend. Usko pucho, he will be there. And Fauji log hai. Yadav Singh Saab ko malum rahega. The people who are from, they have a close-knit family feeling, and said, my biggest advantage was when Dr. Chandorkar was there, when he introduces someone to me, it was there. Chandorkar is there, Hemanda is there, don't worry, come, we are there with you. Now, that I don't know who will fill that gap, but your memories, your support that we have been getting time and again, that will, we have made strong ourselves, sir. Now, see, we have got different people from, like Kerala. He had fond memories of Kerala. 5 years in Navy, staying in Cochin. And when we started such center in Cochin, he said, without me, you are not going to start there. I want to come. Many of us went. And that was Dr. Chandorkar one among them. since you are from Kerala Center, you have anything to say?
Yes. Hello.
Go
So
ahead.
audible, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Lot of memories, as everybody said, lot of memories are there for me also. I was there from 2006 to 2011. What I observed is that there's a positive vibe around him, that we can say anything to him. We can say topics related to psychiatry, same way that any other topics which we can chat with him. So that way he was very friendly. That way, a friendly personality he was. What I observed in between also, I visited Pune in 2018, 17, 18, that time also. So on the first side, he recognized and he called my name. That was because that kind of personality he is. That is a real thing which I am always memorizing. His physical presence, that is not with us, but his soul is always with us. His in our upcoming functions, every functions, he will be with us. His soul will be with us. That is the thing. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sins. Yes, he was there for each and everything. Come what may, when we were shifting the center, I remember he came and asked, "मैं मदद करूं क्या?" मैं बोला, "Sir, please." We were shifting the stuff, and that is the involvement of Dr. Chandorkar in minute things. Prince, are you there? Prince, sir?
Hello, I can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah, please come on.
Am I
It's your-
audible? Am I audible?
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. Talking about Dr. Chandorkar sir, I know him since 2005, the time I joined in Chaitanya. And, still can't believe that he is no more. I remember last Wednesday, Joby calling me and telling me, Chandorkar sir is gone. I was just stuck for some time. I was not knowing what to do. Then somehow I rushed to his house. Still remembering his presence. Sometimes he used to come for consultation in Varje, mostly once in 15 days, something like that. But I had some personal attachment with him. He was such a lovely person, anytime approachable, and he has huge knowledge about psychiatry and good doctor. And like we discussed here, he was a good reader. Couple of times I remember he used to forget his mobile phone on the consulting table. Then he called me or I called him. Then I used to go in two-wheeler to give it him back on the way. But he never forget his books to take it back. That was his nature. Such a lovely person, missing like anything. So I still can't believe sir is not there. So anyway, praying for his soul, also for his family too. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. See, even none of us are able to believe that he is not there, and he lives in our memories. He is there with us. Now we have Tojo. You want to say anything? Tojo, are you there?
हेलो
Yes, please.
या मैं चैतन्य में जब ज्वाइन किया था, इनिशियल टाइम मुझे चंदोकर सर के बारे में मैं उतना बात वगैरह नहीं करता था. तो व्हेन आई शिफ्टेड टू वंडर सिटी, एवरी ट्यूसडेज एंड फ्राइडे चंदोकर सर आता था. तो इनिशियल टाइम मुझे उतना फैमिली को मिलने के लिए नहीं आता था, इतना कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं था. तो मैं यूजुअली उसमें चंदोकर सर के साथ बैठा था. और टाइम चंदोकर सर ने क्या किया था, मतलब एक फैमिली को, एवरी फैमिली को उसने कितना अच्छा से हैंडल कर रहा था, भी जो पेशेंट्स को हैंडल कर रहा था. तो ये सब कुछ हम लोग उसका पास से मैंने सीख लिया. फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं भी वो सेम अप्रोच कभी कभी फैमिली के पास अप्रोच कर रहा था, तो उसमें से बहुत फायदा हो रहा था। फिर लास्ट टाइम जो भी ने जो बोला था चांदोकर सर नॉट देयर, तो ट्यूसडे मैंने बात नहीं किया था, तो सर ने बोला अपने इधर एक पेशेंट था, उसका फैमिली का सब कुछ अरेंज करने के लिए निबुल को बोल के गया था। तो फिर बाद में नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग जो भी ने बोल रहे अभी चांदोकर सर नो मोर, सो व्हाट टू डू। तो ऐसा जो फीलिंग था हमको, मतलब बहुत सारा दुख की बात नहीं है। एंड दूसरा चीज है अपना जो डिफिकल्ट पेशेंट जो भी सेटल नहीं हो रहा था, तो पेशेंट्स को चांदोकर सर का एकदम अच्छा से मैनेज कर रहा था। ऐसा फॉर एग्जांपल अश्विन जैन, सम पीपल्स नोस दैट अश्विन जैन कितना टाइम से सेटल नहीं हो रहा था, भी अपन को बहुत सारा चीज में सेटल करके दे रहा था। एंड अश्विन के साथ उसने बातचीत वगैरह करा था। तो आज भी मेरे को अश्विन ने जो बात किया था, चांदोकर सर नहीं है, मेरे को डिप्रेशन आ रहा है, मैं क्या करूं, अभी मेरा लाइफ में क्या होने वाला है, ऐसा पूछ के आज बात कर रहा था। तो जैसा बहुत सारा शेयरिंग है अपन को, फिर अभी क्या बोलने का नहीं।
Thank you, Tojo. Yes, it is the same, yes, there are so many residents, our patients feeling that left out. But yes, we will try to cope up with, and we will incorporate, we'll certainly be there to get other people. And that gap, but that gap, the same thing cannot be missed out. Is Chetan there?
Yes, sir. Ronnie, sir, I just joined. Okay.
Please. Yeah, it's you.
Yeah. Very good evening, all of you. Actually, this is so really very sad news for all of us when we heard that Dr. Hemant Chandorkar sir is no more. Actually, I got this news from my one of the friend, and I was really shocked because Dr. Hemant Chandorkar and Karve Institute. So I am actually working with Karve Institute, and Dr. Hemant Chandorkar sir and Karve Institute really had very good relationships, because he used to come to Karve Institute. He used to teach our students for medical and psychiatric social work. Also, our few students were going to Chandur sir's clinic to get the practical exposure. So in between we used to meet, and really, it was really very nice experience with the Chandorkar sir. And I really miss Chandorkar sir in these days, because we learned many things as a human being, as a mental health professional, and it was really very good time with the Chandorkar sir. In between, our friend Ronnie sir used to call us to meet, for the gatherings, for some events. So we were joining, and at that time we were just discussing so many things with Chandorkar sir. We met in some parties also. So I really, appreciated all these things. And being a new person means, actually, he's and my age, there is a very good, a huge difference in our age. But I did not feel that there is a huge difference in our age, because he used to talk in a very friendly manner. And, whenever he was joking, so he used to say, Chetan, just listen what I'm going to tell, just listen properly. So I think the human being and the good professional, we really missed the professional like Chandorkar sir. So field of psychiatry, Karve Institute of social work, all the people, our other faculties, on behalf of Karve Institute, on behalf of our Karve Institute students and faculties, I really will, miss the whatever memories were with us. No, so I will be missing these memories of Chandorkar sir. So on this condolence meeting, I would like to say that this type of people should really bond and contribute for our field. Like Dr. Hemant Chandorkar sir contributed, Dr. Ronnie sir, actually I was really very emotional when I heard that news, and I even could not communicate, I even could not contact Ronnie sir that how this happened, when this happened, because I am aware that Ronnie sir is, very close to the Chandorkar sir. So I was unable to even call him, because I was also emotional, because I spent good time, quality time with Chandorkar sir. And professionals like or beginners like us, learn so many professional things, and how to live the life actually in practice. In one of the event, I would like to tell all of you that in one of the event, Dr. Chandorkar sir shared some memories of his father when his father was with one of the big mental health institute. So he said that Chetan, I am the person who is born and brought up with psychiatry, with the field of mental health. So no doubt he born and brought up and he grown up with the mental health, and the many things he gave to the field of psychiatry, and many people like me also groomed with the help of, with the assistance of, with the guidance of Dr. Hemant Chandorkar sir. So it was really great time for us, and we are going to really miss the huge personality of our field of mental health. So in this occasion, I would like to pray for him, for his departed soul. And I think I will have to stop. It was really very good time with the Chandorkar sir. So I would really miss him personally, because I really lost one of the good friend, the professional friend, as well as our mentor. So thank you, Ronnie sir, for giving me the opportunity to talk on this conference meeting. Thank you again.
Yeah. Can I have a Priya somewhere? Priya Chandorkar? Hello, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Go ahead, please. Unmute yourself and put the video on, please.
Video I would not be able to put on
Okay.
since
ठीक है.
I'm at work, but I would really like to say that he's the most jovial and happy person that we all knew around, and stayed with him since I was born, since the day I was born, and probably the best uncle that anyone could have got. So your Pillu will miss you and won't be able to say anything else. Thank you.
Hello. Mohan Agashe sir. Can you unmute yourself, please? Agashe sir, are you there? If Dr. Agashe, are you there? No.
Unmute. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
Hello. You can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Well, I didn't know about this meeting today. Watvay just called me and said, you try, the meeting may be still on. And well, of course, Watvay must have given my message to you.
Yes, sir. But
Have you given the message?
the meeting is incomplete regarding Hemant.
Yes. Yeah, I know. Well, there's a lot to learn from Hemant when he was alive, and a lot to learn also from his death. Yeah, untimely death. He could have lived much longer. So, very versatile, very gifted, intelligent, always thinking for others. You know, in the process, I think he neglected self much more than what he could afford to. So I feel sad for it also. We have lost a good comrade, I must say. All right. And the others who are still can improve, should improve, learning from him in his good memory. That's all I can say. Everybody's going to miss him, I know, particularly those who have been associated with him on day-to-day basis. They are going to miss him much more than what I will miss him. But keeping in touch with what was happening around, I feel very sad for it. So let his soul rest in peace, singing all the melodious songs which he has sung all his life, right? And things would be tough for Chaitanya, I think, much more. What else can I say? Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for admitting me, though very late. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Akash. It was such a touching words from you. And a person who have walked with, seen him throughout, you know, it was a touching words from you. And yes, your concern for Chaitanya, I certainly understand. And we have seen ups and downs, and we have overcome that.
Yeah.
You know, the comrades and the strong pillars like Dr. Chandok, we miss that. I'm sure that, you know, I don't know how to fill it up, but certainly we are there. We are certainly going to learn from things, and we will certainly sail through. That's what I think. Are you Ninad? Ninad is there? Ninad Baste. Are you there? Are you there, Ninad? Now see this, you know, there are so many well-wishers of him, almost, you know, 45, 50 plus people had joined. These are the people who really matters. You know, Dr. Chandra matters to them. Now the house is open for a quick response. Those who could not speak, you know, you can unmute yourself and you can have a quick run. Is there anybody who wants to join?
If you're speaking, you should unmute yourself and unmute your microphone.
I think Vinay did not. Is Vinay there? Vinay from Kibale?
Vinay.
I think it's not there. See.
Yes, please go ahead. Please speak.
Hello,
Mr. Vinay.
I'm audible?
Yeah.
Yes, yes. So it's been like, 4 years I'm in Pune. So my experience, I was in a wonder city. So Tojo sir, actually, I thank to Tojo sir. Actually, जो भी नया केस आया तो चंदोरकर का मुझे दे रहा था. So I'm very much confident about that, because one said actually that Dr. Hemant Chandokar is a, like, it's a passion to read. Then also is a comrade, and also like, is a leader of Chaitanya. So actually मुझे इतना confidence था, so जो उसका केस आ रहा है, जो मुझे दे रहा है, so इतना confidence था, ठीक है, जो पेशेंट का जो ट्रीटमेंट, पेशेंट का जो ट्रीटमेंट कैसे आगे जाने के वो फैमिली को जो डील कर रहा है, वो इतना कॉन्फिडेंस मुझे भी था सार के साथ जो डील कर रहा है. सो इतना अच्छा एक्चुअली जो भी ट्रीटमेंट का ऊपर जो इतना उसका कॉन्फिडेंस, जो पेशेंट के इम्प्रूवमेंट का ऊपर हमको बहुत भरोसा था. सो फैमिली के साथ भी डील करने, अभी भी मेरा 3-4 फैमिली अभी भी सर का पूछ रहा रहता है, जो सर कैसे है, हमारा जो ट्रीटमेंट किया है, सो इसका बारे में बात करता रहता है. सो इट्स अ बिग लॉस. आई डोंट हैव एनी मोर एक्सपीरियंस विद हिम. लाइक अभी जो जितना एक्सपीरियंस मिला, सो इतना मुझे इट्स अ स्वीट मेमोरी स्टिल टिल माय डेथ. ओके, सो दैट्स इट. थैंक यू सो मच.
Is there anyone who would like to share any memories? Otherwise, it is time for us to wind up. Before we wind up, if anybody wants to share. You can unmute yourself. Tenet, anybody is there?
Yeah, I think
it's a time that we need to wind up. And before I hand over to Kirti, my friend who was hosting this, I just want to share a few things more which I really forgot. See, we started the journey a long back, 21.5 years. And my ambition was to set up an ideal psychosocial rehabilitation centers, one of the best, finest in India, where I always thought Dr. Chandu will be a part of it. It was very recent. I have taken a place, I have finalized on a place where I have taken Dr. Watwe and also Dr. Chandokar to show the place. हम देखे वापस आए. Probably he has had a predomination in him. He said, Ronnie, I was there with you and I am going to be with you till my last breath. And I don't know what to say, that is, ऐसे का ऐसे ही रह गया. That was true. He did it. The last patient he saw was in Chaitanya. The vacuum that you have created, Chandu, I can never imagine. Without you, सबसे पहले, I used to call him sir. वो बोला मेरे को हेमंता बुलाओ. मैं बोला नहीं सर, मैं नहीं बुलाएगा आपको हेमंता, मैं आपको सर ही बुलाएगा. ऐसे बुलाते रहा. In my most private conversation with him, I used to call him Chandu. मैं चंदू को बोला, Chandu, this is what we are going to do it. He said, I would love to come there. I would leave one of my hospitals and I'll be with you. I will leave in the morning, I'll come back. मैं jokingly उस टाइम बोला, वो करेंगे ना, नदी का किनारे आपके लिए मैं एक कॉटेज बनाएंगे. आप उधर कंसल्टेशन करके खाना खा के सो के उधर से शाम को घर जाइए. शायद बनाएगा मैं, लेकिन मैं आपको बहुत मिस करेगा यार. What Dr. Akash said, yes, I lost a buddy. You all have lost a fantastic psychiatrist. Personal and professional losses are different. I lost one of my gem from my, whatever I have done, he was a part of it. I miss him. Kirti, it is to sum up. That is up to you.
Thank you, Ronnie. Indeed, this has been a very, very emotional, I don't know, meeting or getting together that I have ever hosted. And unfortunately, I had to. My memory with him, I always think that we should cherish memories that are dear to you. I'll remember he was a fan of jokes, intelligent jokes, and he would make sure that he had his every time new jokes in the meetings when he came, and he would make sure he will have everyone listen to them and laugh about them. He also lived life king size. I remember when he bought his BMW, it was a childlike enthusiasm to tell me about his BMW purchase when he rode it first time. How was the journey, the sound of the engine? I can still remember he talking about it like a child, like a child's enthusiasm. So Chandorkar sir, thank you for all the memories. I want to sum it up by saying that आज हम हैं, कल हमारी यादें होंगी, जब हम ना होंगे तो हमारी बातें होंगी, कभी पलटोगे जिंदगी के ये पन्ने तो शायद आपकी भी आंखों से बरसातें होंगी. You will always live forever in our memories, Dr. Chandorkar sir. May your soul rest in peace. May God bless your family, your loved and near ones. May God bless Chaitanya, the institute that you loved and you were part of till your last breath. May your patients, may their patients' relatives, you will be always living in our memory. And with those memory, I thank each of you for joining today and sharing your thoughts, feelings about Sir, and